How to tag someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device, and then if you want to tag someone on your story, you can simply tap on your profile. Then you can just click on adding on to this story over here by just swiping it down, and then click a story over here. Now as you click on the story, if you want to tag someone, you can just tap on the picture and then tap on the @ over here. Now you can just select the person that you want to tag and then tap on done, and then you can share it to your story. But now if you want to tag someone on your post on your Instagram, then what you can simply do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on the post that you want to tag, and then tap on the three dot lines above the post. Here what you can do over here is just tap on edit, and then you can just see the person over here. Now you can just tap on invite collaborators, and you can invite people, or you can just tag someone on your Instagram post. So you can see the tag is already here. So to just tap on the tick mark, and then you'll be able to tag the people on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.